pleasant morning. I am particularly honored that I've given part in this recognition, Teachers Recognition Day. We are gathered here today to recognize the best and the participated teachers held activity last in Spamas Manila campus. I am honored to have been part in this special event. We are very happy and proud to dedicate this day in recognition to those who are painstakingly attended the training. There is a quote in a Japanese proverb that says, "Better a thousand days of a diligent study is one day with a great teacher." By the time students graduate from high school, they will have to spend 10,000 hours at school being instructed by more than 30 teachers. That's why almost everyone has a story about teachers who touched his or her life. Just like so many politicians, astronauts, entrepreneurs, surgeons, I am who I am today partly with a great teacher. Dropping out of school, I found my way landed in Mr. Domingo Orgenes as an English teacher. Mr. Domingo Orgenes believed in me even I didn't believe in myself. Over 20 years later, sometimes still spot his kind smile and horn green glasses among the sea of faces at spending my greeting engagement. That's why I salute him very much. Teachers devote their lives to giving our children the tools to succeed and inspire them to do it. It is you who listen to our children, who challenge them, who encourage them to stand up for their values. You will teach our future president in the Philippines to show the importance of constitutions, show the next Alice Guerra how to strum a guitar, or demonstrate the scientific method to the bright young student who will cure cancer or other sicknesses. The simple truth is that, as a nation, we must invest a strategy that places appropriate opportunities on the contribution that you and your colleagues make to build our future. Teacher attrition is far too high, and given that you are the builders of our future, losing even one good teacher is too many. But we must continue to expand career and leading opportunities that allow you to develop, foster a school culture that encourages collaboration with your colleagues, and empower you with the autonomy to innovate and thrive. Moreover, any efforts to brighten our nation's future must be built upon a deep appreciation for your incredibly important work. On this Teachers Recognition Day, I'd like to thank you for your countless hours, your sweat and tears, and your relentless commitment to our children. And I'd like also to thank you in advance for inspiring the next generation of amazing teachers. But before I will end my speech, I would like to share this quote from Scott Hayden. Teachers have three loves: the love of learning, the love of learnings, and the love of bringing the first two loves together. Once again, good morning, and God bless us all. Thank you.